the hula pay homage to Laka, the deity of the hula.
Ma pukahangu kalau ma punoi kapoleo kawai aloha aloha ike kapa e hukai hoki palai hoki lole noi kauna noi mai la kale hua makanui noi kale hua makanui.
In ancient Hawaii, the Hawaiian Islands were ruled separately by great warrior kings and chiefs. Many battles were fought between the islands and its rulers to create new territories and dictatorship. Wars were imminent for the survival of each island kingdom. The Makahiki season was a time when wars were forbidden. Peace reigned through the season, which lasted for 4 months. The god Lono, the god of fertility, was worshipped during this season. Lono's earthly form was erected as it traveled village to village to announce the Makahiki season. The harvest was gathered and taxes collected. In celebration of Makahiki, hula, relaxation, and Olympic-style games of skill, agility, power, and strength were displayed to the cheers and joy of the Hawaiian people.
Ai pa ini makahiki kai kuya molokai. Huki huki hana no tuama. He ai kaleba amolokama. Huki hana no tuama. He ai kaleba amolokama. Kai he kaleba amolokama. Tumbale ai kamolokama. Kai he kaleba amolokama. Tumbale ai kamolokama. Kaona hana no tuama pu. He ai kaleba amolokama. Kaona hana no tuama pu. He ai kaleba amolokama. Hakuko kaleba amolokama. Tumbale ai kamolokama. Hakuko kaleba amolokama. Tumbale ai kamolokama. Emele no pai ni makahiki kai kuya molokai. Honi koni huili pepe kasu bai ku. Honi koni huili pepe kasu bai ku. Anawe ka honi weno de kakuhane. Ameke alpalo ai alo. O vai ke aloha. Aloha koni huili pepe kasu bai ku. Koni huili pepe kasu bai ku. Anawe ka honi weno de kakuhane. Ameke alpalo ai alo. Vai que aloha, 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 vai que aloha, 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 não é carro.
Put your hands together just like this.